I'm Sarah, and I was just sent Clocky. Clocky is an alarm clock meant for those people that just won't wake up. So they have alarms, they have all these things, but they just hit snooze and they just keep going. Clocky won't let them do this because Clocky makes noise, he runs around on these big wheels, and he doesn't stop. You can snooze him one time. After that, you got to get up and chase this little fella. So we're going to put some batteries in him, we're going to set the alarm, and we're going to have him work. But these big wheels on here are nice rubberized wheels. So when he is going, I think he'll be okay without scratching any surfaces. But to get him started, you do have to supply your own screwdriver. It does not come with one to be able to get to the little battery pack underneath here. And it calls for 4 AAA batteries. So we're going to put the batteries in there, and then we will take you up close and we'll look at some of the details on here. All right, so here's Clocky up close. He comes with a little screen on the front that you'll have to peel off. And it's just a clock on the front. It does light up, so you can actually look at it that way. You have your alarm button right here. Time, of course, is right here. And then on the top, you have your hour, minute, your A is for alarm, and your T is for setting your time. So you push down on the T and your light will blink, and then you can set your time. So it'll go from PM, and then it'll circle around and go into AM. Okay, so now we have our time set. And then to set the alarm, we do the same thing. So we just press down on the A, and then we would then go through and set our timer. And we will set him for just a minute from here. So once we get that set, all we do is we hit our little alarm button now, and you'll see the little alarm button on there. So then you can press the off button to turn him off. That was just the sound button. Or you've got your snooze on the top if you just wanted to snooze him. And then you can also make him run around, which we'll do here in a second. So to turn off Clocky, all you've got to do is press this little alarm button and it turns him off. This is a great way to wake up those sleepers that just do not want to wake up. You just use Clocky.